Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Steam not downloading your games on Windows. So let's get started. First, go to library and then go to settings and from the top left side and then click on downloads. Now here you have to set your region to your location or a nearby one. Make sure the throttlet downloads while streaming is turned off. Next, go to storage and then click on the three dots and select repair library. Wait for it to finish, then go back to downloads and click on clear cache option and then restart your computer, open a Steam and try downloading again, and that's it. You will see that your stream downloads should now work. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.